Distributing cash to shareholders. Distributing cash to shareholders is a crucial aspect of corporate finance. It demonstrates a company's financial health and commitment to investor returns. This presentation explores key methods and considerations in this process. Methods of cash distribution. Dividends. Now, regular payments from company profits. It can be quarterly, semi-annual, or annual, signals financial stability and rewards long-term investors. Share buybacks. The company repurchases its own stock, increases earnings per share and stock price, offers tax advantages compared to dividends. Special dividends. One-time payouts are often from excess cash or asset sales, rewards shareholders without committing to regular dividends. Considerations in cash distribution. Financial health. Assess the company's cash flow, debt levels, and future capital needs before distribution. Shareholder preferences. Consider tax implications and investor expectations when choosing a distribution method. Market conditions. Evaluate economic climate and industry trends to determine optimal timing and amount. Legal requirements. Comply with regulations regarding dividend payments and share repurchases. I am AI Jennifer. Leave a comment if you have a question. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel.